Welcome to the FunRide Gladiator EV ride-on. Main body, backrest, parental push bar, charger. Insert the backrest into the rear slot as shown. Lift the seat and unscrew the battery clamp. Connect the battery wires carefully. Secure the battery in place with the clamp and screw. Open the battery compartment cover using your screwdriver. Insert the batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Close the battery cover securely. The on/off switch, the forward and backward button, and the accelerator pedal. The charging point. Your Gladiator EV is now ready to ride.